So I'm just going to show you a quick tip you can use to add a description or some introduction text to your sections. We call it use first page as description. So you can see here I have my section all developed and laid out here, and on the first page I have a course overview. This is our WHMIS course. You can see it just contains a bit of information, a bit about what to expect and how to use this site. From the section menu I'm going to turn on edit mode. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and I'm going to turn on use first page as description. You can see now that that first page, that course overview, is displayed above all my other pages in the menu here. If I turn off edit mode, you can see it gets rid of course overview as it's displayed above all my other pages. You might not want one this long. You might just want a shorter one with just maybe a markdown about what to expect. But if you need to make edits to this page, just flick on edit mode. You can see course overview again there, and I would edit it like I would any page. So use first page description to give your learners a quick description or introduction about what they can expect in the upcoming content. You can add questions, knowledge checks, or even download links to some pre-course learning material.